Alright guys, so we've got a bit of an understanding of our shadows and lights. We're going to now move into the relationship between the Earth, the Sun and the Moon and the light and shadows that they cast on each other. So this lamp here represents our Sun. A few things we need to understand when we look at this is we've put some cardboard here and some tin foil there to make the light brighter, but in actual fact we know that our Sun is a sphere and it would cast light out at all angles. Another thing we need to understand is that the whole time that the Earth is going around, okay, so it is going around the Sun. What's another word for going around, do we know?
Rotate.
Rotate, yeah, or?
Orbit.
Orbit, excellent. So it orbits the Sun. So that just means that it goes around the whole time, so it orbits. Also, while this is happening, the Earth is tilted. Do we know what that word might be if it's tilted? It's tilted on its
Axes.
axis, excellent. And this maintains this tilt, okay? That never changes. Now, while this is happening, it's also spinning. So it's rotating, it's orbiting, it's spinning, and it's tilted. So there's a lot of things to remember about this. So let's take an example. The Sun is shining. It's shining on one. It only ever shines on one face of the Earth at once. So if it's shining on, say, the Caribbean islands, which are here, what might we see that as? If it's bright and it's shining its light on the Caribbean islands, what could that be?
Daytime.
Daytime, excellent. So it's daytime, of course. The sun's shining, it must be daytime. So if it only shines on one side of the Earth at a time, what might the other side of the Earth be experiencing? So if this is nice and bright over this side, what might it be over on, let's say, Western Australia at that time?
Nighttime.
Nighttime, excellent. So bright here, dark here, day, night. And while this is spinning, now if we know from our science, we know that one full rotation is a day, of course, that's 24 hours. So every 24 hours, it will be back at the exact same spot. That's good, that's excellent.